Live from Miami Beach, Florida, this is the 2014 Mercedes-Benz Swim Fashion Week. I'm Tyler Cease, and you're watching Bikini Team TV. Tyler Cease here with Bikini Team TV, and I'm backstage at Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week with Angela from Beach Bunny, and I'm so excited because I'm a huge fan of Beach Bunny. Now, can you just tell our viewers a little bit about what they saw?
What you guys saw tonight was about 4 themes wrapped up into one runway show. So we had really something for everyone. We opened up with like a very sophisticated, nice cruise collection with whites and jades, and then we went into like an edgy rocker vibe, and then from there we actually went into like a neoprene 80s California surfer girl vibe.
I was really excited about that. When can I expect to see that cute little romper with the hood and the backless? I love it.
That is actually from our spring collection. So that will be available in February of this year.
Okay, I need to have that. I need to have that. And then Chrissy and Irina also have been designing for you as well, correct?
Yeah, Chrissy and Irina were with us in Belize, as well as Nina Agdal, who's the SI model. But Irina Shayk is our face of Beach Bunny, and we love Irina. We've worked with her since I started the company, so we are honored to have her here tonight. And
you actually started out of your garage, correct?
Yeah, I started the brand just as a hobby. I had a clothing store and just started making bikinis. I've always loved fashion, and we're here today. So
congratulations on all your success. So thank you so much, Angie.
Thank you.
Bye, Bikini Team.